Hello friends, I'm just going to demonstrate a little machinery over here. This is one of the 200 kilowatt motor. We have here a 200 kilowatt motor which is taking some 380 ampere, 360 ampere, something like that. And this one is the VS coupling. This is known as VS coupling or fluid coupling. And here is the reduction stage gearbox. It is reducing the speed, 3-stage gearbox or 2-stage gearbox. It is reducing the speed, and the speed over here you can see very fast, and here is a very slow. So there is a bearing, the drive and side bearing, and here is another bearing I'm going to show you. This one is a non-drive and side bearing. So what this machine is, this is an elevator, a bucket elevator. This is known as bucket elevator. So this is taking material from the downside, from the ground, because as you can see, we are at the very much top at the moment. Somewhat 200 meter or something is the height we are at the moment. So this complete train I'm going to show you. This one is the elevator, and this one is the coupling again, and there is another VS coupling which is with the motor. And here I'm going to show you the gearbox or transmission detail. Just see this detail. And here is another motor which you can see. This is the auxiliary or the inching motor, inching drive. This is used for making the elevator in some position. This is not normally used, but the main motor, which is a big motor, this is a small motor from Flender, of course. This is not normally used, but the bigger motor, that is normally run. So this is the machine. Just I demonstrated a little bit in front of you. Hopefully you people learned something from this video. This is taking material. So for the material, it is running from the ground to up, and then it is dropping material over here on the upside, because we need material upside for our process. So hopefully you people learned something from this video. If you learned, give a big thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, press on bell icon so you will get notification for each upload. Thank you for watching.